Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard, your host for this pre-market session. And each morning we'll be watching this indicator or this one for numbers moving. If I sorted by this one, we'll be watching for volume spikes. This morning I'm sorted by the momentum indicator, so we're going to be watching for higher numbers to be popping up here at the top. Once we confirm a spike or these volume numbers, we come over and we check the current bar volume, make sure there's enough volume to get in here and get out safely. Let me see if I can find a stock that's been moving so I can describe this better. There you go. So once we confirm the volume is moving nicely, just like you see here, no pauses. It's not a certain number. It's just that they are battling between the buyers and sellers. Once we confirm the volume, we look over here at Dominator Master. These green bars are buyers. And we want to see these green bars breaking above this yellow average volume line. That tells us there's more buyers coming in than normal. We also want to check the My Blessing indicator, make sure it's green. These are also buyers and sellers. So let's make sure that we have green here, and they're breaking above the yellow average volume. Also, if you are a beginning trader, make sure that you use paper to trade with. Come to these live streams, but do it the old-fashioned way. Write down your entry, your exit, and your results. If you are profitable on paper, then move to real money, but only trade small share size, 1 to 10 shares. And if you are profitable with real money, the only thing you need to do to increase your profit is to increase your share size. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I build indicators. I teach you how to read these indicators, and by reading these indicators and learning how they work, you can make some very successful trades. So also make sure you reach out to a financial advisor. I am not that guy. He's the licensed one. I'm not. I'm a guy who trades from his home office. I've been trading since 1990. I've also been coding for about 16 years. And I specifically code ThinkorSwim and come up with some pretty good indicators over the last few years. So in your active trader, make sure that your TIF is set to EXT. That way you don't miss a trade. And can everybody hear me this morning? I did have to change the mic out. All right, thank you very much. Never buy a microphone with the gain function as a slide knob. They don't last very long. Not seeing very much moving this morning. Hopefully we'll get some action out of the market. I expected DJT to be moving this morning, and it's actually dropping the last I looked. Maybe they got the shorts on it. Maybe the battle is not over yet. TPET moving up a little bit. We're at about 30 seconds to go. Thank you for confirming my microphone. Five seconds. All right, let's see what happens here. Maybe TPET is going to give us a little bit of profit. Let's see what happens. Watching these bars, we want to see tall green bars coming in. Not looking very promising. Not seeing any spikes at the moment. Not seeing any of the momentum numbers rising. The percentages seem to be frozen. Wow, not much moving at all. HSDT right at $1. Thank you, Tally Ho. I think I'm going to sit back on this one and see how the market reacts this morning. Don't want to get bit by a cheap stock already. Looks pretty nice. Got lots of volume coming in. Nice tall green bars. Made it up to $1.12. Watch for red in this bar. This is what you don't want to see is red. There's a little bit popping in every now and then. Want to see another tall green bar coming into this stock. Definitely a lot of sellers taking profit right there. Holding the price level up there about $1.15, $1.12, kind of bouncing around a little bit. Watching for red dominator bars for the sell-off, or watching for green bars to push it up higher. Red seller bar coming in, taking profits. Holding the price up here towards the top is a good sign. Currently at $1.13, bouncing around a bit. Don't expect it to hang around here too much longer. It's not moving up. The traders will get impatient and pull out. Good job, Greg B. Good job, John. Good job, Tally Ho. Pushing back up for a retest now of that dollar. Let's see what it was. We are breaking through. It was $1.15. We just broke through that $1.15. Also broke through the high of this pre-market session. Don't know how long it'll stay up here, but that's good news that it didn't sell off all the way back to the bottom. I think everybody thought it was going down and gave up on it. Next thing you know, it's back up at the top. Very unpredictable. $1.21 currently. Green dominator bar. Tall wicks on the top mean the sellers are driving the price back down. Could just be profit takers since the price is staying up here at the higher level. If we get another green dominator bar, we may push back up to the top. Definitely running out of volume here. Heavy selling. HSDT. It was moving around this morning. Let me get it typed in there correctly. It wasn't making very much progress. It was only giving these little runs and selling off. Maybe the buyers have found it finally. We do have taller green bars here than previously. Currently under $1 at 92 cents. Trying to get a sell signal popping in. DJT moving a little. The volume is not really high enough to judge getting into this stock just yet. We want to see a good battle going on, and we're not having that good battle. So don't fall for these little low volume plays. It may just sell off at market open. But if it starts picking up in pre-market, you may have a chance to pick up a few bucks. But the way it's been acting all morning, there's not a lot of buyers and sellers in this stock. Not to say that it might turn around in the next second or minute or 5 minutes, but currently, not enough for me to pull the trigger. I'm actually hoping our power stays on. We're having sleet and snow flurries, and this area is not used to that kind of weather. Hopefully we'll make it through the trading session. Power has not gone out all night. Hopefully it'll stay on. HSDT, this is the one we were looking at first. Looks like more buyers are coming in. Got some tall green dominator bars. My blessing is trying to turn north. Volume is almost at 1 million shares on this current candle. Now over 1 million shares. Doesn't look like they're going to let it get much higher. Big sell bar on that previous candle. I do not have a battery backup as of yet. I've been looking at them, but everyone that I see may last a little bit. Most of them give you the 15 minutes to shut down everything. Unless I spend thousands. Not seeing much moving. Thank you, Jeff. Well, I was hoping for a much better market this morning, but I guess we have to wait and see what happens. Well, well, well. Very slow. HSDT. A little bit of spike I noticed right here. Maybe try and push it up a little bit more for a few more pennies. Green Dominator bar. Currently at $1.32. Need another tall green bar to push it higher. We need a volume increase to pick up. Green bar coming in. Pushing up a little bit higher, spike up to $1.35. and right back down to $1.33. Well, the only thing good about this one is it's not selling off. Problem is trying to time it and guess if it's going to go up or not, and I don't guess at them. If we don't have the buyers coming in, I just pass on them. Plus, it's too cheap for me to trade. I don't like these cheaper stocks. But if that's all we get, I may attempt it. Who knows? Well, unfortunately, BTCT doesn't have enough volume to get in and get out safely. HSDT moving up a little bit more. It's only a penny higher than the last time we looked. Was $1.35, now dropping back down to $1.34. Watching the dominator bars. Not enough volume or buyers or sellers to make a judgment call on it. Might look better on a 5-minute chart if you want to look at it that way. Hang on until it turns around. A lot of sellers taking profit as it spikes up. ASST trying to break through that 96-cent resistance level. Now pushing higher, a few buyers coming in. Still under $1 at 99 cents. Probably not going to pay very much. But we'll see. It could go all the way up, enough to make a profit. Nice tall green dominator bar, a little spike upwards for a penny. Few profit takers. I don't think this one's worth battling or losing money over. VATE, finding some buyers under low volume. Low to no volume, I should say. INM. Nowhere on my charts. Profit taking going on. Need a green dominator bar right here to break it through the high. But we're getting a red one. Spread is spiking on this stock. They're already messing with it. You can see it right up here. Let me get rid of that bar. There we go. Spread is right here. If it turns red, it's going to cost you a lot of money to get in. My blessing is running south. Watching for buyers to come in to push it back up there to retest the high of 815. Probably won't happen under this low volume, but we'll keep an eye on it. My blessing pointing south, red dominator bar of sellers. Looks like they're trying to make a climb up to retest that 815 high. Green dominator bar, tall one. Trying to push it higher. Need another green dominator bar to get it up there. Too many sellers on board to get it up. Looks like they're trying to get it up there. They're still trying for that 815. Buyers coming in. Very unpredictable trade here. He did hit that 815. Make sure you sold right there if you got in and was trusting it. Good job, Tally Ho. Tally Ho was listening. Probably going to come right back down now. I think they just wanted to pick up that 50 cents between here and there. Another breakout there was a quick spike up to 917. That may attract some buyers. Let's see if they come in behind it. A green dominator bar here will keep pushing. My blessings turning north. Buyers trying to come in. See if we bounce back up there to that high of 917. Watching these green dominator bars. Do we break out here? Let's see what happens. Nice tall green dominator bar. Needs more buyers, and I'm not talking to you directly. I don't want you to lose money, so don't risk it if you don't feel good about it. Nice buyers coming in. They are fighting to get it higher, though. Kind of hoping for a retest of that 917, but it didn't happen. May happen any minute, though. Green bars coming back in. My blessing still trying to turn north. Tall green bar here will retest that 917. Trying to get above that yellow average volume line. That's what we need. We need it to break above it. Green bar. We need a green bar. We're not selling off. We just need the buyers to come in and drive it up. Profit taking, they're giving up on it, it looks like. Or at least a few of them are. Red dominator bar. Price is holding steady. Buyers are keeping it up. My blessings turning south. We may be getting weaker here. Another red dominator bar. The buyers are trying to keep it up. Looks like the sellers are overcoming the buyers. We are holding the price level, so we're not selling off. Looks like it's calmed down a bit now. Holding the price range at around 830. There's still opportunity to go up and retest 917. We need this my blessing to turn around, and we need the buyers to come back in. I think the buyers pretty much gave up on the battle. We did have a couple traders pick up 40, 50 cents right here in this area. I was hoping for it to happen again, but it didn't. Good job, up 2 cents. Good job, FSTL. INM, my blessing turning back north slightly. Very little buyers coming back in. We did get a buy signal on it. But we need this green bar to grow very tall. We have not retested this 915 area up here. We do have a few green dominator bars. Hopefully this one grows taller. We go back up here and retest this level. Nice tall green dominator bar. Had a few profit takers on that last candle. We can keep the profit takers out of it. We will get there. We have a few profit takers driving the price, keeping it down. You can see that right here, the red part of this dominator bar. Those are sellers. All right, YouTubers, the free hour is up. I appreciate you joining me this morning. I was trying to hang in there to see if you could get a little bit of money out of this stock. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. But I thank you for subscribing and hitting the like button. Hope you enjoyed what you seen this morning. We will be back on YouTube tomorrow. I'm going to get the 3 days in one way or another. So Wednesday and Friday, we will be back live. Thank you for joining me this morning. As always, have a very blessed trading day and keep an eye on INM. You might make a few dollars on it. See you later.